We here at K&K. Get some stuff before we go back straight to Laura. Got the whole truck filled up. Let's go. Kaya ba? Eh? Chibigar. Ako matancho na chibigar when complete set. We came to K&K to get some food because we need to re-energize ourselves. We're hungry. We love to eat. She's working too hard. Yep, she always had. So we stay here at Lokabin and where is it? I don't know where yeah? We forgot. Anyway, there's been a power outage everywhere at this time because there was a car accident in Rarick area. So for those that caused the accident, I hope nobody got hurt and that everything is okay. Anyway,
Beautiful day.
it is a beautiful day. She said it. Shooty. Ladies and gentlemen, we is here.
All right.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and that was our trip to Laura. Laura Beach was amazing. It's always been amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, shooting.